one-handed grip now. Pretty simple. If you take the two-handed grip, the beginner revolver fist on top of fist grip, and you just drop the support hand thumb, this is generally the grip that I recommend for most people shooting one-handed. Now with a 1911, with the thumb safety right here, you can actually put your thumb on top of the thumb safety. But you know, even with that particular gun, I have a tendency to bring my hand down here. Only real problem that's gonna get you in trouble is your thumb hitting the mag release if you've got long thumbs. Now, so that's my strong-handed grip right there, okay? One-handed grip. Now, what I teach is when I'm shooting one-handed, whatever foot corresponds to the hand that the gun is slightly forward. So in this case, right hand, right foot is gonna be slightly forward. And you wanna tuck the hand in, right? Keep in mind, you're gonna be shooting one-handed because this hand is out of action. It's either occupied or it's injured. So you wanna kind of tuck it into your body. All right, and then I bring the gun out straight up and down, just like that. Now, why am I tucking this into my body? I tell you why. This thing's heavy, all right? Your arm weighs a lot more than you think it is. So if you have it out here like it's acting like a tail wagging a dog, it's doing this to you. So you want to tuck it in tight to your body as best you can. Keep the gun straight up and down, just like that. Tuck your thumb down and squeeze the trigger straight to the rear, just like that. Pretty simple, put some practice into it. Remember, your stance is a key part of that. Now notice, I didn't blade way off to the side where I'm exposing this to the bad guy. I just a slight step forward so I can control recoil. Give it a shot. We'll see you back here.